Hello everyone. Are you someone who is suffering from hair problems like hair fall, dry hair, dandruff, and on top of that you are not a great fan of oiling your hair? Then this video is exactly for you. If you're interested, please keep watching. Now, it is super easy to make this tonic. I have used 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in a pot and added 1 cup of water. Why fenugreek, you may ask? Fenugreek is an herb with a long history of traditional medicine. The seeds and leaves of fenugreek plants are used to make supplements to deliver certain benefits, in this case, hair growth. Boil it for 15 minutes and let it cool down. Now, after it cools down, strain the mixture into a bowl and apply it with a cotton pad. There are journal studies that have shown that people that use fenugreek topically and internally have significantly more hair growth than people that don't. This is because fenugreek is a great source of vitamin A, B, C, K, manganese, iron, phosphate, folic acid, flavonoids, etc. It also has powerful antifungal and anti-inflammatory effects that maintain a healthy scalp environment, hence promoting hair growth. So, to make black seed tonic, take 3 tablespoons of black seed. I prefer grinding it coarsely before boiling it for 15 minutes. Now, let me tell you why black seed is amazing for your hair. Black seed is used as a natural remedy for a wide range of conditions like headaches, back pain, high blood pressure, infections, inflammations, and in this case, hair problems. It is often added to hair care products like hair masks and shampoos, thanks to its antimicrobial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties, which protect the hair and scalp while locking in moisture in the hair shaft. Now, after it cools down, strain the mixture and apply it on your scalp for 30 minutes to an hour and wash it with a mild shampoo. Since black seed is a rich source of nigellon and thymoquinone, both potent antihistamines, it is an excellent way to promote hair growth. Regular use of black seed helps to prevent and preserve graying of hair because of the high content of linoleic acid. Last but not least, black seed contains different types of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that nourishes and strengthens your hair and in turn reduces hair fall. If your hair is dry, then you can add a little bit of honey or some oil in it and then apply it. Consistency is the key, so keep applying this at least once every week for 6 months to see the result. So these are my top 2 hair tonics that I use every week. I hope you find this video helpful and see you in my next one. Bye!